Anderson and spinner, spinner A, spinner B, each 0.2, 0.6. Shows the two diagrams. That adds up to 1, that adds up to 1, that adds up to 1, so it's drawn correctly. Spinner, both spinners lands on red is 24. That both land on white. I'm not quite sure what to do, but I can work out the probability of it being red. So I'm just going to write that down. The probability of red then red is 0.25 times by 0.6. Get my calculator. .25 times by 0.6 is 0.15. So I know that that's 0.15. I'm also interested in the probability of it being white. So the probability of it being white then white, that must be 0.75 times by 0.4. That gives me 0.30. Now, let's just think this through. So if the probability of getting a red is 0.15 and I get 24 red, this is double that, so I must get times by 2, 48 white and white. So that's 48. Okay? So what have I done? I've worked out the probability for the red-red branch. Worked out, I said, well, the probability of getting red is 0.15. I got 24 of those. If I look at this, this is double that, so I'm going to double that to work out how many. Right, your actual question 1, practice question. Read it. Try it. Right, again it's spinner A, spinner B. Red, 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 white, white, red, white, white. That adds up to 1, that adds up to 1, that adds up to 1. So it's correctly drawn. Probability of reds, both spinners, is 48. So I want to work out what the probability of getting a red then a red is. I write that down, and again, it's 0.25 times by 0.6, 0.25, 0.6, which is 0.15. Probability of getting a white, then a white, is 0.75 times by 0.4, because it's that times by that, which equals 0.3. Again, looking at that, I notice that this is double the probability, so if I got 48 red, I need to times that by 2 to give me 96 white. Look that through, pause. Now, try this question. I'll do this really quickly. Probability of red, red is 0.25 times by 0.6, which is 0.15. Probability of white is 0.75 times by 0.4, which is 0.3. Again, I notice that this is double. There were 12 red. 12 times 2 is 24 white. Thank you.